All right, so as you guys can see, I got a bunch of random pickups in the last couple weeks. So I figured I'd just show you guys this haul of stuff. So let's go ahead and get into it. What is going on, guys? Hess here, collectivekicks.com. If you guys haven't followed my website yet, go ahead and check it out. Basically, I just curate a bunch of sneaker deals that I find for you guys on the interwebs, post them on Collective Kicks, and then you guys can go shopping at like Nike and Adidas and Foot Locker and those type of stores. Today, though, I got a bunch of just randomness, man. And some of these shoes, you might actually have already seen videos on in my channel, because some of them I may actually release the shoe reviews before I actually show this haul. I'm just trying to figure out my schedule. It's a little bit crazy right now, but yeah, I guess we'll start over with the sneakers since this is a sneaker channel. But if you guys want to see these Transformers and stuff, I'm going to actually unbox them in this video because I want to take them out of their little boxes and stuff and put them over here on the side. So first things first, we got Supreme t-shirt, Lizard t-shirt. I actually got this the other week. This is a pretty dope t-shirt though. I like the bearded dragon on it. We actually had a couple bearded dragons in college. One of them was named Fat Bastard and the other one was named Shira, so it is what it is. I also got this t-shirt from Staple, and it is in support of Black Lives Matter, and Futura and Staple created this t-shirt, and the t-shirts went to charity, and I like Jeff Staple and the stuff that he does, and Futura is super rad as well. So that is why I bought that t-shirt. We got... I'll have a different video talking about these and how I got them, but I will let you know that I did use an added cart bot. So kind of crazy, not something I normally do, but I wanted to go ahead and do a video on my experience using it because, again, it's totally out of character for myself to use it. And but yeah, anyway, regardless of that, I got a pair of these, and I actually got two pairs. I got a pair manually and then through this added cart as well. But these things are super, super nice. So moving on, I got a pair of Nikes here. I actually paid retail for these. Not anything insanely crazy, but the price is crazy. $140 for real. Air Max 90, $140. It's a brown and sale color. I guess this would be a premium product. I don't know why the price is so outrageous at $140. Usually like $120 would be better, but quality of material is actually pretty decent. Like the leather actually is pretty okay, and then the suede is actually not too terrible either on the side, which there is suede up through and around the side in kind of like a salish sort of tan color. But I love the color blocking of this shoe, which is why I bought it. And if you guys actually want to see a review video on these separately, please drop a comment in the comment section, let me know. I don't know if there's really any interest in these, but it's a cool colorway, one that I really liked. So next up, we have something that's not a shoe. So we have this Staple and Atmos Bear Brick right here, and this one's sealed. So I want to actually go ahead and open it. So you have it. I can't sell it on StockX now, right? But I'm not planning on selling these. This is going on my display wall. I don't have the Atmos shoes, but I do have the other part of this, which is why I wanted this particularly. Let's take a look. Dope. So there's a little mini Bear Brick right here, and this is the half Panda and half the Atmos camo print. That's the 100%, and this is the 400% right here. So I love that it comes in like a shoebox. I think that's a cool touch, but there it is right there, the Panda and the Atmos side of things. The wall back there, I have an Atmos and pigeon sort of display, so I'm gonna put this back there. Really dope Bear Brick, and I mean anything Panda like I'm definitely in on. So this Panda is super rad. That was the one that I got. I think they were like 170, so a little bit high, but when they popped up on Staples' side, I just pulled the trigger and bought it. Still a couple more pairs over here. Asuna Slide SEs. I don't know what the SE stands for, but this is the Crater Foam Asuna Slides. Super lightweight. This is my first look at the foam though, but I really bought this shoe because I wanted to test out this Crater Foam. This was a pair that they had on Nike.com. They sold out pretty quick though. I posted them on Instagram and Twitter and Collective Kicks. I like the whole like space hippie, this is trash sort of theme to the shoes. I think that they're doing a good job with the promotion, at least of that. These are 55 bucks though for a slide, so kind of on the expensive side. They had a $22 version as well that I have coming to me in the mail. It just didn't ship like normal times, I guess. But I don't know. I might do a detailed review of these slides separately if you guys are interested on my channel, because I've done a lot of slide videos just in general, at least one huge comparison video to slides, and then I can do like an update on how these stack up to some of the other slides out there. So next up, we have another Nike box, red box this time, and we have So this is another new Nike model that was released. This is called the Nike Air Zoom Division. And actually some people reached out to me on social and asked me if I've heard about these shoes, and I was like, nah, I don't know what you're talking about. Then I saw them, I was like, oh yeah, those are the ones that they're talking about. So this is an interesting looking sneaker right here. It says Air Zoom on it, kind of an old font. But honestly, these are $90 and they have like the exaggerated midsole look. And if you haven't seen, I did this crazy Frankenstein sneaker customization right here. I basically soul swapped the Nike Air Zoom Type with the waffle off-white upper, and I really like the look of these things if you like that crazy big exaggerated midsole. But I'm going to do a review on these, so check back on the channel. These are like pretty much the definition of a knockdown sneaker model, which will probably be something in my title. Color blocking is cool. Overall design of the shoe looks cool, but if you're looking for something soft and squishy, go with those Air Zoom Types, man. Way, way better. Anyway, I'll do a review on those and let you guys know more about those soon. And the last box here, you can see this is a different style box than what I've seen previously. And this is a recycled pair of sneakers right here. This is another trash shoe, but not part of the Space Hippie promotion. This is the VaporMax 2020 Flyknit. And I definitely will have a detailed review on these. I might actually have that up before this video just so I can get it out there in the world. But check out the review video on these if you're interested. I'll definitely be comparing them to the old VaporMax 2019s as well as the original OG Flyknits. But I'm creating this video actually before I do my review, so I'll let you guys know like my first initial thoughts. Overall, I'd say concept-wise, I love what they're doing. I like the look of the shoe, the fact that it's using a lot of recycled materials to create something that's cool. $220 is a hefty price point. And then also this lace lock system looks really, really cool, but I think there's definitely going to be some pros and cons on that. So I will have like a pro and con, like initial thought sort of video on my channel. So again, if you haven't seen it yet, go back, check my channel and watch the review on these. They look pretty crazy though. I mean, all in all, like I was there for it to see what they're doing. Also, the outsole is completely different. Like they actually changed the VaporMax bubble, which is something they didn't do from 18 and 19. 2020 with the new VaporMax sole. But I also recently did a video of the most uncomfortable shoes ever, and it was actually pulled from 100+ people from you guys on Twitter. And VaporMax was in there on the top 5. So it's just one of those shoes that's really weird and bulbous and odd feeling on feet. Some people like it, some people don't. Some people get used to it like myself. At the end of the day, it is definitely different on feet. Cool colorway though in my mind, even though it's a hodgepodge of crazy. But leave a comment, let me know what you guys think about these new VaporMax 2020 Flyknits. So those are all the sneakers, but we got these two massive boxes over here, so let me clear this out. So if you didn't know, I'm definitely a fan of Optimus Prime. I mean, who isn't? He's the leader of the Autobots. The dude is just a badass. Anyway, I have this crazy version right here. This is MP1 of the Masterpiece Edition, which is like a really, really nice, heavy-duty, transformable version of Optimus. I also do have the original one right here, as well as, I think this is like a Headmaster one that my buddy Mikey gave me from Rogue Toys PDX. If you guys don't know what they are, I'll actually link them. They have an online store, and my buddy Mikey owns the place in Portland. Super cool dude. I bought these ones from him already. This is like the Ecto 1 Ghostbusters version, which is super crazy, like collab. I love the concept on that one. So this last week I went to Rogue PDX Toys in Portland, and I was basically finding some Mario stuff for my kid. He got this giant Bowser that he's super stoked about and loves.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
There you go.
I'm 22 more.
Good counting too, buddy.
Seriously, 22.
Seriously.
Wow.
But I saw these in this backdrop and I was like, whoa, like you have the Optimus, but you also have the Megatron, which is something I've wanted to have, like the Masterpiece Megatron. So I figured he had both of these in stock and I wanted to support his store. So I was like, man, just throw these in the bag. Let's go ahead and get these. So I bought both of these. That's the backstory. But I actually want to open these up and show you guys what they are. I don't think I'm going to be able to get them to light up, but that's like the coolest features. You can get the eyes to light up and then the Matrix of Leadership to light up as well. So this is the Mega Action Series Optimus Prime. Came out a couple years ago, honestly. I never even saw it. I don't think I was on the market to buy something this massive, but it is so big that I don't even know where to put this thing. Pause. So I have a display shelf on this side with toys and stuff. So I think that these are going to go on the very top shelf. Anyway, let's go ahead and show you what they are. So this is underneath the outer sleeve of the The box, as you can see right here, this is it. It says it's an 18-inch action figure, which is just ridiculous sized. If you guys are interested in buying these or some of the other Optimus toys and stuff, I'll link them to eBay for those people interested. I think these are going for around $250s or so, which is what I paid for mine each. So they're kind of expensive, but again, when in Rome, I guess. So the first question I'm sure you guys have is, are they transformable? And they're not. It's just a posable figure that lights up. If you want one that transforms, get the Masterpiece, which I already had. This is ridiculous. Look at the size scale of these three Optimuses. This is crazy. So this is completely posable, which is crazy too. Like you can move the arms and everything. And this one has the Matrix of Leadership. As you can see, Optimus's chest actually opens up for the Matrix of Leadership. But I need batteries for this and I don't have them. This is like ridiculous size blaster. This thing is absolutely crazy, man. So let's go ahead and see Megatron. I like also in the back of the box, there's like a theme to it, which is cool. So there's a chest piece that comes off on Megatron also. So this blaster attaches to his arm. So here they are side by side. These are crazy, dude. The best part about these though are the accessories that light up, like the Matrix of Leadership, the gun, the eyes light up. It looks crazy. I'll try to get some pictures of it on here of that, just I don't have any batteries right now. But yo, these are wicked. Shout out to Mikey over at Rogue PDX, dude. Always hold me down over there. I was really stoked to add these to the collection. Now I'm going to put them up on the top shelf. Anyways, that's all we have for the video. We're going to go ahead and end it there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Drop a like if you guys did. Super random stuff, but I always like to do random unboxings of stuff that I end up getting. Drop a comment also on any of the sneakers that you actually want to see a detailed review on as well. And hopefully you guys have a good rest of the day. We'll see you guys for some more videos hopefully soon. Peace, guys.